There's a fire here. You'll see this is where the money's gonna be. But really, inside is in pretty good shape. Troy Kearns, real estate investor, bringing it to you from St. Joe, Missouri, home of the $5,000 houses, where you can buy houses for $5,000, put a ton of money into them, fix them up, and make a ton of money. And we're actually with a good buddy of ours, Ryan Haywood right here. He sold me most of our houses, except for this one. But he's still here with us because he's an important person in our relationship in St. Joe. So we got this house we paid $5,000 for. You can tell right now it's a total piece of crap, but we're just getting started. So we got to clean out all this landscaping. We just met with a contractor. He's going to clean out all this landscaping for $500, which actually is a really good price because once you come to the backyard, you're going to see. And while you're waiting for us to get to the backyard, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, and make sure that you comment on this video. How much do you think it's going to cost me to fix this place up? How much is this gonna cost to fix up? All right, so we've got a new roof that we need for sure. We've got repairs to the exterior of the property. This is called a St. Joe doorstop or a sofa. And we've got no ceiling up there. Got a tree inside the house. But really, inside is in pretty good shape. We gotta do a little bit of weatherproofing. This is a duplex. So we got good cabinets. We can reuse these cabinets right here. These are actually coming back in style. So we have nice, good cabinets, but here's where the problems are. There's a fire here. So as you come to the back, you'll see this is where the money's gonna be. So you can see right here, we might wanna just rip off this whole thing. It might not even be worth rebuilding, but look at all this landscaping. So we got a bid for $500 to pick up all that landscaping. How much would you have thought that would cost? More than 500? Comment below, let me know. We need an HVAC unit. I know for sure on that, because I don't see a condenser. So you're probably gonna need two. You might be able to use mini splits. You might be able to use windows. Siding's asbestos, so are we gonna redo it? No, we're gonna encapsulate it. What does encapsulate mean? Paint. You may think we're in Jurassic Park, but we're actually in St. Joe. This is what $5,000 will get you. So yeah, we got some siding that we need to put cement siding in replace of. Cement siding in replace of. This is asbestos, so we will just literally replace it, paint it, and obviously dispose of it properly. What is this, Ryan? You're an expert here. Come on over here and give us your electrician.
That's your electrical meter base and weatherhead. I'm not an electrician, but your weatherhead is where your power from the city comes into the house, and then meter base is where your meter's gonna be, so you know how much usage you're getting, and then from here it goes inside to the panel.
So what he's saying is this top of the weatherhead here is gonna connect to the city's power, and then this is gonna feed your panel, right? And then from your panel, that's gonna feed your house, right?
That's it.
Look at this. Like I thought $500 was a lot for the front, but after walking through this, I don't think it's that much. So we're going this side now. So we've got, I say the most expensive stuff is fixing a lot of this concrete. You can see the stairs have fallen down. We gotta fix this. We can either do it with wood, which is gonna rot, or redo it with concrete, which is not gonna rot. Good news is we got PEX new plumbing. Ryan also is an expert plumber. Ryan, will you break down? Ryan, I know you're a wholesaler and a real estate investor, but you also are really good at the other stuff. Will you break down what this symbolizes right here?
Yeah, that's your PEX water, hot and cold.
Which one's hot?
Obviously, red is hot.
What if it's not obvious to some people?
Some people use white for everything, so
yeah.
Then you just have to know what is coming from there.
So you said shark bite and you said something else. So
there's crimp ring and there's shark bite, and the proper way to do PEX would be using the crimp system, which is brass fittings with a ring that tightens around the PEX. Shark bite, it's
gonna blow.
Yeah, you're just gonna.
It's just holding it for temporary to get it done, and then it's gonna cause a problem down the road versus something that's tight like an old copper pipe.
That's right.
All right, so good news is we have drop ceilings. Better news is we have ceilings on the top of this. I don't know if you can see this. Right there, that's what we're gonna be painting over. We can save all these cabinets. We're gonna have to redo the floors. We got hardwood floors underneath here. Now here's a funny story. So both the contractor and this guy tried to buy the house. We found this thing on Facebook Marketplace. You looked at this house how many years ago?
That was last year.
How much did you offer him?
$2,000.
Okay, and what were they advertising it for?
It wasn't advertised. We got a hold of them from sending a postcard, and they called from the postcard, and then we came out, walked through it, made them an offer, and then they did not accept the offer. So then they put it on Facebook and they got more.
Literally, we bought it, we closed on it right before the taxes got where they can't redeem them or whatever. I mean, look at the ceiling. The ceiling's in perfect shape right here. We were talking, the contractor wanted originally, he wanted to gut the whole place. We quickly affirmed, A, we know what we're talking about. We're not gutting the whole place because we need to splice in new electrical if we need it. And we already know we have new plumbing. So this is a duplex. It's a $5,000 duplex. How much do you think this is gonna cost to fix, Ryan?
Both sides, I'm gonna say you're gonna be in at like 60 grand altogether.
60 grand with labor and material. That's his guess. What's your guess? Make sure you comment below how much you think this thing's gonna cost to fix it. We'll make sure to let you know after we're done with it. We'll do a video of an after of what this one looks like. But if you want to invest in real estate in St. Joe, you need to do one thing right quick. You need to get a hold of this guy right here, Heritage Homes Investment. He's gonna give you a great deal. He gave me 17 great deals last year, and we're gonna go look at 3 today that he's gonna try to sell me, even though I got nobody to work on these houses besides Ryan.
Hey, you're fine.
There we go.
My property manager's going to walk through my house that we just finished.
I don't know why you don't manage them yourself.
I do.
You're gonna end up doing that. That's gonna end up happening.
Somebody said once, until you have 100, pay somebody to manage.
Who said that?
A guy named Troy Kearns.
I don't never said that. I never said
Last year you said have a manager until you have enough to hire somebody to do it internally.
Right. Well, yeah, I agree with that on the rate that you're going, because you already know what most people need to learn about managing properties, which is construction.
We manage all except for one. I just put her on the first job, and she got it rented in like a week and a half, $625 for a 1 bed.
If you got a good property manager, you always want to have one. Use them. If you don't try to find one. Just do it yourself. You know what I mean? It's a good way to learn. How many rentals do you have right now?
We have 18 doors.
How many did you start with last year?
We had 5 last year.
5. What happened?
Got busy.
How many houses have you wholesaled this year?
93 this year.
93. Did 73 last year.
Yeah.
But that was at the end of the year. We got 2 months to go.
20 more before the end of this year.
20 more. He wants to sell them to me, but I got nobody to fix them. If you are a contractor and you need a place to live, I got a duplex in St. Joe with your name on it. Make sure you get started investing. Make sure you get started investing in real estate, and make sure if you need any deals in real estate in St. Joe, get a hold of Ryan Haywood. And if you are interested in learning how to invest, follow my channel, subscribe. Peace.